Hey, what is going on, guys? This is the stock release. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Apple One. So what is Apple One? Apple One is a monthly subscription service with a collection of Apple services products in a bundle. Those products are Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, Apple Arcade, iCloud, Apple News Plus, and Apple Fitness Plus that will be coming soon late 2020. Here are the three plans Apple is offering. The first plan will be the individual plan at $14.95 a month. Second, we have the family plan at $19.95 a month. And last but not least, we have the premier plan at $29.95 a month. Apple created these plans with the intention of helping customers save money, with the individual plan helping you save $6 a month, family plan helping you save $8 a month, and a premier plan helping you save $25 a month. Here are the individual costs to better understand where exactly you are saving and what you are getting. Now, here are my thoughts and opinion. These are great bundle packages and I see a lot of value in them, especially the savings. However, before deciding to purchase a plan, ask yourself one question. Do you really need the additional service that is included? In other words, if you use an Apple Music and you have no intention of using Apple TV Plus, Arcade, or iCloud, maybe these plans are not for you. But on the flip side, if you are using 2 or 3 of the services products listed here, then it is without a doubt that these plans will help you save money. Alright, well that wraps up with today's video. Please leave your thoughts and comments about the Apple One. I would love to hear from you guys. And if you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps a lot with this channel. To stay more up to date with tech, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'll see you all in my next video. Take care.